Hey guys, Merry Christmas Eve and welcome to Vlogmas Day 24. We are literally almost at the finish line. We have one more day and I could not be any more excited. I did enjoy doing Vlogmas, but with work and with the pandemic and with everything going on, it just was a little bit stressful. But I really wanted to stick to my commitment because once I say I'm going to do something, I like to just follow through. But anyways, welcome to Vlogmas Day 24. Tomorrow is Christmas. Today's Christmas Eve, and I just have a little unboxing for you guys. I ordered a pair of boots from NV UK. I'm not sure if you guys ever heard of them, but I will leave the link down below to their website and also the link for the boots that I ordered. So I was a little bit apprehensive to order from this site, even though there's this one influencer that I follow. She always wears their boots, but I feel like she makes everything look good. Like, her name is Jamila on Instagram, but I feel like she literally makes everything look good. Like, her style and her aesthetic is like really, I don't know, it's really different. But she did have these pair of Zara boots that I thought I liked, and then when I saw them in the store, I just did not like them. So I am a little bit nervous about these boots, but I guess we'll see, you know, what's going on today. All right, so these are the boots, and they got a good amount of weight to them, so I guess we'll see. I'm really like iffy when it comes to boots. I know y'all tired of me saying I'm iffy and weird when it comes to certain stuff, but I'm iffy when it comes to shoes in general. Like, I feel like I can order clothes from Misguided, from Pretty Little Thing, like even Fashion Nova. Like, you can mix your highs with your lows, but I just feel like you have to be careful when it comes to the footwear. Like, you can't just be having anything on your feet. Like, I don't like that. But yeah guys, let's get into the unboxing. This box looks kind of beat up, but okay. This is the box that it comes in. It says retro. I'm not sure what that is, but right now it's giving me like Got the Look and Eternity fashion vibes, judging from the box. I really hope that's not the case. But I got a size 7.5 in these boots. They're the black croc patent leather, and it just says retro on the top and on the side. Alright guys, the top is off, and here we go. Alright, so my first impression, I don't know, honestly. Like, this part of it looks okay. Like, this part looks pretty sturdy, but then once you get to the bottom down here, it's giving styrofoam cut. Like, I don't know how I feel about that. Like I said, I'm weird about my shoes, and I do wear a lot of, like, you know, boutique pieces, Pretty Little Thing pieces, Misguided pieces, Shop at Kara, stuff like that. So I just feel like when you're ordering those inexpensive pieces, you need like a quality shoe to go with them. So yeah, I don't know. I'm going to try them on and see like how I feel after I try them on, but I don't know, y'all. My first impression, I don't know. I'm gonna try them on. But like I said, the material is like a croc patent leather, so that part of it is really fine. I don't see anything wrong with that. The laces are a little bit shiny. I'm gonna try to come closer. So this is what they look like. There's a zipper on this side, and then there's another zipper on this side. So you can unzip either side, but I'll probably unzip the side closer to my inner thigh to put them on. And then the laces, if you can see, they are a little bit glossy. I don't know how I feel about that. So looking from here up, I feel like everything is fine. It's just when you get here, I don't know, it's just a little bit cheesy. Like, it's giving cheese. I don't know how I feel about that. But I am going to try them on and see how they look on my feet, because I have small feet, so I can kind of get away with certain things because my feet are so small. Let me take the other ones out, show you what they look like next to each other. So kind of like a combat boot with a platform heel. Nothing too insane, but I do like the texture. I do like that croc patent leather. I think it's cute. And guys, these were only, I think I paid, including her discount code, I think I paid like $64, including the express shipping. So I mean, you get what you pay for. I really can't complain. I already kind of felt like, you know, the quality was going to be similar to like Eternity Fashion, or even when you order shoes from Pretty Little Thing or Got the Look, another one. When you order shoes from those places, they're not your typical like quality shoe, quality material. It's not real leather, it's faux leather, you know. But this is just a shipping label. They did send a 20% off coupon for my next order, so I'm not sure. I'm going to wear them and like see how I like them, see how they look with my outfits, see how they look in pictures, because I might be able to get away with them, but I don't want them to only, you know, look nice in pictures. So yeah, so guys, I'm about to try them on. I'm about to flip the camera so you guys can see what they look like on my feet. Again, I wear size 7.5, and that's my, again, I wear size 7.5, and that's my true size. So yeah, I'm just gonna try them on and I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is what the boots look like on my feet. I'm showing you guys a straight shot from above, and then I'll turn to the side so you guys can see a little bit of the detail. I'm actually gonna put that up. But yeah guys, this is what the 7.5 looks like. I feel like if the sole wasn't so chunky, it'll be a little bit better, but I don't know, something about them is just giving, it's just screaming cheese. Like, I don't know. But like I said, I'm gonna wear them. I'm not a big fan of shipping stuff back, and I think I can make them work anyway, because yeah. But yeah guys, those are the boots. That's what they look like. That's what they look like on. They're not too bad. Alright guys, so that's all I have for my little unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment down below to let me know what you think about the boots. Do they look cheesy? Do they look cheap? Like, let me know. I'm still gonna wear them, but still, let me know. Yeah guys, so that's all for Vlogmas Day 24. It is Christmas Eve. I'll see you guys tomorrow on Christmas. I hope you guys have a good night. I hope you guys have a good start to your Christmas. I'm pretty excited about Christmas this year. But yeah guys, see y'all tomorrow.